Crash Courses. Today's crash course is on the unmatched diversity of plant and animal life in the rainforests of Africa. Its species range from forest elephants to glowworms to extremely powerful and even dangerous gorillas.
Actually, sir, unless they're bothered, gorillas are friendly. They're also extremely intelligent. Scientists have discovered that gorillas can even communicate in human sign language.
Cookies and cream, call me a cab. I want to talk to a gorilla.
Sir, do you even know sign language?
Of course I don't, but I'm about to learn. Oh, go ahead and play the fast facts.
Whatever you say, sir.
Fact number 1. Gorillas communicate with each other in many ways, and some captive gorillas have learned to use sign language to communicate with humans. Number 2. Gorillas mostly eat plants, and some gorillas actually hum or sing while they're eating. Some scientists think they do this to tell other gorillas not to bother them. And number 3. Gorillas make a lot of beds. They shape their nests out of leaves and branches, and they never sleep in the same nest twice. Okay, I feel completely prepared to talk to a gorilla. I'm off to the jungle. Ta-ta. You did call me a cab, right?
Yes, sir.
Great!
Sir, wait. The gorillas that know human sign language don't live in the wild.
Okay, I'm in a remote mountain jungle in Africa, and I've just spotted a gorilla. And my super science instincts tell me that he wants to chat. So I'm going to use my new sign language skills to let him know that I'm his new best friend. Okay, here we go. Wah, wah. Incredible! It absolutely is working. I am communicating with a gorilla, and I'm sure I'm reading the signs correctly when I tell you he likes me. So I shall now exhibit the universal symbol of affection, the hug. Sandra, prepare to be amazed. Well, that went well.
That went horribly, sir.